Alright, well, I'm back. They did not have the damn oil, bro. Bro didn't even want to go in the back and look. Of course, the only oil I needed is gone. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Like 8 Mile over here. Yeah, I don't know. He wouldn't even go in the back and look for the fucking oil. So I was like, alright, bro, whatever. I'll just go somewhere else and get it. Bro, what is he doing, bro? Holy shit. Dude, that bitch is pulling. Holy damn. Flinging my shit back. Whew. Alright, I am gonna do that dig though. I said I was gonna do a dig. I need to see how she hooks in this weather. Alright, I'm about to let this bitch eat. Holy cow. Dude, that shit is moving, bro. Holy shit. God damn. Wait, low-key, I need to go back that way because I'm gonna get a thumbnail. Damn. That's how you do it right there. Yeah, I had a bad oil leak too. Just from the oil filter, bro. That shit was bad. Oh, that was his car, bro. That shit sounded like a fucking space shuttle. Like a UFO was going next to me. Bro, I ain't even lie. I don't even know how to get the fuck over there. Whew. We terrorizing the neighborhood. Yeah, that's a way different feeling compared to like summer, you know what I mean? Like hot ass weather. Alright, looks like we got to go back this way. All I know is that shit was pulling, bro. Actually, I know where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to my little spot. It's different too, because the torque doesn't even kick in until like, you gotta be kind of up there, like, I don't know, like 3,500 RPM, 4,000. Then that 500 foot-pounds of torque starts kicking in. Yeah, my GoPro's gonna die, so I'm trying to make this video kind of like short and simple. Here, we'll try a second gear pull. I'm gonna brake boost too. Holy shit. Yeah, she's pulling. Now we're gonna go to my little secret spot. Oh. Yeah, it's somewhere back there. Damn, it's pulling, dude. Got my garage still open. That wasn't even like a 0 to 60. That was like a 0 to fucking 80. 2BH. What is this? Little audio right here? That little thing, man. fucking with people. Come on, man. Oh, damn, bro. I have like a little, I don't know, are they working? Probably. A little spot over here that I like going to. They're probably still open. Well, whatever. Yeah, they are. God damn it. I want to do another dig, low key. I do want to do one more dig. No cap. Cause that shit felt good. And I got clicking going up there. I don't know what the fuck that is. Stupid, bro. Alright, let me get this thumbnail real quick. It's goddamn freezing out too. Yeah, just like that, yeah. Like that, yeah. That's all you need, man. Oh my god, it's freezing. Holy fuck. Damn, 4. Oh, I got my keys in my pocket, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Alright. Yeah, that's my little spot over here. Bunch of burnout marks and shit. That ain't from me. But yeah, dude, it's pulling right now. I'm not gonna lie. No brake boost. Oh, you little fucker. That shit just pulls like no other, dude. I need a tune. I need a tune. I will do it though. I'll get one. Life's been a little rough lately, so it's not ideal to be dropping thousands of dollars on some tunes. I don't know, man. That's just pulling. She's pulling, bro. We're gonna do one more dig. I wanna do one more dig before I end the video. So we'll do one more. Hopefully you guys can see everything just fine. Random ass neighborhood, bro. Random ass neighborhood. This big ass car, bro. Turn. All right, here we go. Do that shit right here too. 0 to 60. Oh my God, it's just pulling. God damn. Alright, I gotta chill out. Alright, well, if you made it this far, congratulations. You know, I like when people, like, I don't know if people are like me, but like, I only like, to be honest, the only time I watch YouTube is when I'm like, when I'm fucking, like, watching, I'll watch something and eat, you know what I mean? Like, I gotta be eating something. I can't just like watch to watch. I gotta eat and watch. Anytime I eat food, I'll watch YouTube, but that's about it. Look at all the oil, dude. That shit's everywhere. Everywhere. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do to this car is get an exhaust system, probably. So yeah, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. See you in the next